International students in northeast China's Liaoning were invited to experience the charm of Lantern Festival, the final day of the traditional Chinese New Year celebrations. They brought their families and friends to cook glutinous rice balls, learn seal cutting, write calligraphy, and assemble lanterns.
更深的了解元宵节的一个文化。今天也带我女儿一起参加，填了书法，还有元宵节的美食。我今天参加这个活动挺开心。
老师告诉我们这个洞是什么意思，然后他把他的东西给我们看一看，什么安装。然后呢，我学到了特别有意思的东西。
我来这个地方有很多人，我们热闹，所有人开心。我希望以后回来这个地方跟所有人玩。我现在祝大家元宵节快乐！